Stop. If you're thinking about buying SitesRobot, there's something you need to know first. Because this AI tool is claiming it can build complete professional websites in under 60 seconds, without coding, hosting, plugins, designers or monthly fees. And honestly, that sounds completely fake. So in this video, I'm going to show you what SitesRobot really is, what it can actually do, the hidden pros and cons, and whether this is a real opportunity, or just another overhyped AI launch. If you decide to get SitesRobot after watching this review, make sure you use the link in my description because I've secured some exclusive launch bonuses worth over $1,000 plus absolutely free. These bonuses are designed to help you make money faster, get clients and scale this into a real online business. What is SitesRobot? SitesRobot is basically an AI-powered autonomous website builder that creates complete websites for you automatically. And when I say complete, I mean the design, the content, SEO optimization, mobile responsiveness, hosting, pages, funnels, even logos, all generated in under 60 seconds just from a simple text prompt. No WordPress, no coding headaches, no expensive freelancers. Just type, generate, publish. Benefits: why people are interested? Because traditional website creation is honestly painful. You normally need hosting, plugins, themes, page builders, designers, developers, and that can easily cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. But SitesRobot simplifies everything into one dashboard. Built-in SEO features and hosting included forever. And honestly, for freelancers, affiliate marketers, local businesses, agencies or beginners, this could save a ridiculous amount of time. Inside SitesRobot, you're getting AI website generator, drag and drop editor, free cloud hosting, SEO optimization, eCommerce store builder, landing pages and funnels, iLogo designer, SSL security, mobile responsive design, multilingual website support and commercial license. And one thing I actually liked is the one-click regeneration feature. That's actually pretty powerful. Honest pros and cons. Now let's keep this review honest. Pros: extremely beginner-friendly, fast website generation, saves massive time, hosting included, commercial license included and great for freelancers and agencies. Cons: AI-generated content may still need editing, advanced custom websites may require tweaks, depends on internet connection since it's cloud-based, and some users may still prefer full manual control. Results: what to expect? SitesRobot is not a magic money button. But if you use it correctly, you can launch websites faster, start a freelance business, create affiliate sites, build funnels, sell client websites, or launch your own online brand much faster than before. Some users are already charging clients hundreds of dollars per site. Now let's talk about the bonuses you'll get if you buy through my link. Bonus 1, Bestseller Blueprint, $197 value. Done for you templates for fiction, non-fiction, self-help, cookbooks, children's books and more. Just load and publish. Bonus 2, Audiobook Voice Bundle, $297 value. Get access to 10 premium AI voices for studio quality narration. Perfect for content creators and marketers. And up to 5 bonuses. Total bonuses value: over $1,000, but yours free through my link. So, is SitesRobot worth it? Honestly, yes, if you're a beginner, freelancer, affiliate marketer, agency owner or someone tired of complicated website builders, SitesRobot definitely caught my attention. So if you want to check out SitesRobot, click the first link in the description and lock in the launch price plus all my exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.